Hey friends, this is God of Miracles and in the key of C, and this is a really simple way to chord along to this song. I hope you have so much fun. If you stop the video, if you do click below the video, you will find the link to the chord sheet and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. Okay, so this is really simple. We just have C, F, G, and A minor for the chords, and that's it. So let's jump in. So if you look for this group of 2 black notes, you will find the C to the left of those. Line up these 5 fingers and play every other note. And we have a C chord there, okay? C chord. And then if you move down, I'm just going to kind of walk down to this F position, which is found to the left of the 3 black notes there. Play that F, A, C, and that's our F major chord, okay? Every other note there. And then move up 1 set of notes and you're in the G position. So play G, B, D. And we have our G major chord there. And then if you move up 1 set of notes again, you have the A minor position there. So we have A, C, E, and that's it, okay? Pretty simple. So just those 4 chords. Left hand is going to be playing single notes. So we're going to put thumb on C for this song, line up these 5 fingers, whoops, and keep my hand here the whole song, okay? So C to C, F to F, G to G, and A to A minor in our right hand, okay? Keeping it really simple, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna sing through verse 1 so you can hear how it sounds when we add in the rhythm and the vocals, and then we'll break it down for you, okay? Let faith arise, in spite of what I see, Lord, I believe, but I held my unbelief, I choose to trust you. No matter what I feel, let faith arise. Let faith arise. For my champion's not dead, he is alive. Oh, and he already knows my every need. And surely he will come and rescue me. Okay, so what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is a really simple rhythm. Together, right, together, right. It's a 1-to-2 ratio. So they're both playing together, then just the right hand. Together, then just that right hand. Together, right, together, right. Together, right, and so on. It really just gives you a strong foundation to be able to chord and sing along. Okay, so let's start together working through verse 1, and then we'll go on into the chorus. All right, here we go. Let faith arise. In spite of what I see, Lord, I be F chord, believe, but held my unbelief, I choose to A minor here, trust you. No matter what I feel, let faith F rise. Let faith back to the C rise. For my champion's not dead, he is alive. Oh, and he already knows my every A minor need. Surely he will come and rescue F me. Okay, so I want to talk about patterns, because if you notice patterns in your music, it really does take out a lot of overwhelm. So in verse 1, we have 1 chord per line, right? But if you kind of look at what chord progression we're doing there, it's C, F, A minor, F. Repeat. C, F, A minor, F. Okay, so that takes care of verse 1 and 2, although verse 2 is shorter, so it just goes through that same chord progression, C, F, A minor, F, and that's it. Okay, so I also want to just look at the chorus, you know, that's something you want to always take note. Is there any patterns? Is there any repetition? It looks like we have A minor, F, C, G, and then we have A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F, C, G, and so on. Okay, so that's really simple. Those same 4 chords repeated in that order. So a little bit different than the verses, okay? The bridge is same 4 chords, just different chord progression sort of on repeat. F, C, A minor, G, F, C, A minor, G. So It's all based around those 4 chords. The verses and the chorus are the exact same chord progression, the bridge being same 4 chords, different chord progression, but that's it. There's a lot of repetition in this song, if you haven't noticed, okay? Let's take a look at that chorus together. All right, so actually I'm going to have A minor there. Middle finger is what I'm going to do because I'm keeping thumb here on C. Okay, we start out with that A minor. God of F, miracles, C, come, we, G, need your A minor, super F, natural C, love to G, breakthrough. Okay, next line, A minor, nothing's M, F, possible, C. You're the G, God of miracles, A minor, go, C, and G. So what's really nice about this chorus is it looks to be that every chord has just 2 counts to it. So you're going A minor, F, C, G. I think through the whole thing, there's really no counting other than, it's together, right, switch, together, right, switch, together, right, switch. Sometimes you have to kind of learn to anticipate when that chord change is coming, okay? But this is a really straightforward chorus. All right, verse 2 is the same as verse 1. Okay, so let's take a look at that bridge, and I think I'm singing this right. I tried to listen to it because I'm not used to the bridge. I haven't really heard it much. I'm used to the other portion of it. So here we go. This world is, F chord here. This world is C, shaking, A minor, but you can, G, not be shaken, F. My heart is C, breaking, A minor, but I'm not, G, broken yet. Just repeat these same 4 chords. Your love is fearless, help me to be courageous too. Oh, there is nothing impossible. That's not, that last line I'm not quite sure on the melody of it. And it kind of loops back into the chorus is what I would assume, okay? So, but that bridge is just repeated over and over and over, F, C, A minor, G. Everything else is C, F, A minor, F, C, F, A minor, F, okay? All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help with the tutorial again. In this playback speed, just slow it down if you'd like to on the final playthrough. Have a lot of fun. Play along with me. When you find you mess up, just find your next chord or word and keep going. All right, here we go. Let faith arise. In spite of what I see, Lord, I believe. But I held my unbelief. I choose to trust you. No matter what I feel, let faith arise. Let faith arise. For my champion's not dead, he is alive. Oh, and he already knows my every need. Surely he will come and rescue me. And God of miracles, come. We need your supernatural love to break through. Nothing's impossible. You're the God of miracles. Let faith arise.